Linux users have now stopped being the one desktop crowd OpenAI forgot about. OpenAI launched a dedicated ChatGPT app for Linux this week, in preview giving users access to ChatGPT, ChatGPT Work, and Codex directly on their machines. The company said that Linux has been one of the most requested platforms for its desktop app. This launch means ChatGPT and Codex now run on every major desktop operating system. We'll get to this development in just a short while from now, but before that, I would like for you to know that Cypher 2026, powered by IBM Bob, is back in its full glory. Join us this October for India's biggest AI summit at KTPO Bengaluru. The excitement is through the roof, and I cannot wait to see you all there. With that, let's get back to the story. The app supports Ubuntu 24.04 and 26.04 LTS, Debian 13, and Fedora 43 and 44 at launch. That still sounds narrow next to hundreds of Linux distributions that exist. But these particular distributions serve as the base for a wide range of downstream flavors. Anthropic, in fact, had also released a Claude desktop app for Linux about a month earlier, supporting Ubuntu 22.04. Later, along with Debian 12, there was a slightly broader minimum version range than what OpenAI is shipping today. Here, of course, ladies and gentlemen, is a front page take on the story. Linux has often been the platform AI companies have treated as optional. But Linux is also where a huge part of the software development world already lives. And now, AI coding agents are becoming part of that workflow, because it is built for developers and not the mass consumer market. Launch decisions were delayed. With both OpenAI and Anthropic shipping dedicated Linux apps within a month, the developer and open source community should rejoice. It has become real enough constituency to build for. The interesting question isn't who got the Linux app first. It is whether AI coding tools can become the default development layer on the operating system where so much of the world's software is built. This, ladies and gentlemen, is Front Page by AI Network. Like, share, and subscribe, and always remember, think AI, think AI.